In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the ability command in Minecraft. First thing you do, click play and you're gonna click create new world. Sorry guys for low FPS because I am using Bivin Visuals um for no reason. You're gonna click create it and you're gonna scroll down and click cheat. Click turn on cheats and scroll down. Now you see education edition mode. Turn on that. Turn on. And click press create and click create anyway. Now be patient. Now you're gonna click chat and click. You're gonna type slash ability and target. So your name, your username, and choose you want. First my fly. And you're gonna true or false. If false, it's you are not gonna fly in creative and survival. If true, both you can fly.
The Mayfly ability has been granted to you. Ability has been updated.
Thank you. Now you're gonna go to three lines and click settings. Now you're gonna click game. Click default game mode. I mean personal game mode. And click survival. You see you can fly. Wait guys, I'm lagging. Boom! You can fly in survival mode. Guys, this is not a mod. And you have no full damage. Now, to turn off that, you're gonna go to creative mode again. And press chat. And you're gonna type slash ability. Now, second is mute. If you want mute your world or sounds like a sheep or a pig. Now for that you're gonna type ability slash ability as my fly. I mean mute MUTA, and if false no sound. If I mean if it's false, uh you can hear. If true, you can't hear anything except you. So false is you can hear anything. Now, if you if true, no sound. Now you can't hear anything. For turn off that, you're gonna go to message and type this command. Type false to turn off. Both like my fly. Now the third one is wait uh is I mean S. No, it's very laggy here. Sorry for that language, guys. The final command is builder. World builder. If it's false, you can't build. I mean, you can build. If true, you can't build. Now, back to the my fly turn off. Now you're gonna go to chat and type this command slash ability as target and my fly. To turn off that, you're gonna type false. Now you can fly in creative. To to fly in creative, you're gonna back to your message and slash ability as my fly. True. Now that's not. Now guys, you can fly. Oh my god. No, I can't not fly because I'm very laggy because I turn yun. Sorry for that language. And this is, I mean, you can fly. Now, this video is two tutorials you can, I mean, we have two tutorials. Stick into this video and watch until the end to find your commands. And that's the tutorial we need. See you to the next stick command. We'll come back to another stick part to that ability command. In this tutorial is random command. Now, we in this video I gonna show you all of commands type in Minecraft to this list. First, this thing. Now you're gonna click space and type your command. This is for the tutorial. I mean, this can help you to how to use the commands. Now, example, the lodge. Oh my god. The lodge. Now you're gonna press OK. Now it's gonna appear said the lodge opens NPC the lodge for player usage slash the lodge change NPC target sense name string player target final the lodge open NPC target player target sense name string. Now the second command is ability. Now, not that, because to the one of my video tutorials, I uploaded that. Now, the third command is aim assist. I'm not gonna using that because I'm I'm not good of that command. Now, always day locks and unlocks the day-night cycle. To that, to this command, I mean to the second command. Imagine that is the second command. Now you're gonna type always day. True or false? Mine is true. And you're gonna click OK. And boom. Lock in noon. To turn off that, you're gonna click your message again and slash always stay false and click go. Boom. The always day is uh, turn off. Now the third command is camera. Okay, that is complicated, guys, but I uploaded for sure the camera command in Minecraft. So click that video for learning to how to use the camera command in Minecraft. Now imagine the third one is clear. The camera shake. Imagine that not imagine that is nothing. Now the slash clear is uh clear. Oh wait, guys, we need an item, random item like fence gates, mangrove fence, for all of that, or random items. You're gonna type that command to clear the inventory. Clears item from player inventory, I mean, and target. Oh my god. And type of item. You can click go. Boom. Clear the inventory of Nigel 7392, removing 128 items. It says 128 items because it's two item. Now you can you can uh you can type clear and press go. Boom. Could not clear the inventory of Nigel 7392. No items to remove because I have no items on my inventory or on my slots. Now, fourth command is what's that? Clear spawn point. Uh these two commands is I mean three co- two I mean these two commands is I gonna not gonna show that because it's very complicated. We need JSON to activate that command, or I'm uh back to the tutorial. Okay, imagine this command clear spawn point and clone is disappearing. Connect slash connect attempts to connect to the web server on the Robin URL. So this command right here, connect slash connect, is if you type that command, it's gonna tell you, it's gonna let you, I mean to this command right here, you're gonna copy and paste your server address and click go. It's gonna teleport to the correct server. Now, the fifth command. Where's that? No, guys. This is very, very, very complicated and medio boring. Damage. Apply damage to the specific entities. Now, guys, the damage command is if you are in the survival game mode. If you are in the survival game mode and type that command and value and type of attack, it gonna damage you of depende sa value ng i-damage sa'yo. Sorry for that language, guys. Philippine language. Now, the sixth command. Daylock. It's like that always day. So imagine that that is disappearing. Now DOP revokes operator status from a player. Dialog opens NPC dialog for a player. Difficulty. Let you change your difficulty or change now to your settings. Now the final command is effect. Add or remove status effect. Now that's the tutorial we need. I'm Nigel7392 and goodbye.